Hello guys, Softone here, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create smooth cinematic light leak transitions in After Effects using simple techniques and no plugins. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're here in After Effects, and as you can see I have already imported the Media 1 and Media 2, and you will import your own medias, and this is final composition, this is full HD. And now let's go right click to create new solid layer, and this is gonna be TR4 transition, also full HD, hit OK. And now let's go to around 15 frames or so. I'll hit Ctrl+Shift+D to split the layers and make it smaller, and then delete the rest. Okay, and now let's place this transition solid layer in between our two clips, like so. And now let's go here inside the effects and presets and find light sweep effect and drag and drop onto the layer, like so. And basically let's make here some adjustments. For the edge thickness let's type 0, and also for the intensity I will type 0. And now I will animate the width. Let's place our playhead at the beginning of the layer, okay, and for the width I will create the first keyframe, I will go 0, and let's go to around 1 second or so, and I will type here 1100, okay, and then let's go at the end of this layer, and I will type here again 0, okay, and now for the sweep intensity, instead of 25, I will type just 500. And now when we hit 0, this is gonna be our base light sweep animation. Okay, now let's change blending mode here from normal to screen. If you can find blending modes, hit here toggle switches and modes. Okay, and now it's time to add our next effect. This is gonna be Tritone effect. Go back here inside the effects and presets, find Tritone, and just drag and drop and change here to whatever color you want. For the midtones I will leave this one, and for this highlights I will change maybe this yellowish color, and then hit OK. Now we have something like this in our scene. Let's also animate opacity of this layer. Hit T for the opacity, go at the beginning of this layer, set up the first keyframe, lower down to 0, then go in between two clips, and I will type here 100. And now let's go at the end of this layer and again type here 0. Let's hit 0 here in the final composition. This is gonna be our animation. Now it's time to add another effect. Go back here inside the effects and presets. I will type Turbulent Displace. Let's drag and drop, and we're gonna add some displacements here. Okay, let's hold Alt on this evolution, and I will type expression time *100, and this looks good to me. Okay, now let's duplicate this transition layer, hit Ctrl+D. Okay, and for the upper one, move 1 frame ahead, like so, and change color here from yellow. I will do maybe bluish color, something like this. Hit OK. Hit T for the opacity for this upper layer, and click on this stopwatch to delete the opacity for this new transition solid layer. And if your number is lower than mine, here just crank it up to 100%. And when we hit 0, we have created this cool looking transition in just a few simple steps. Now you can hit U to show all of the keyframes and be creative, play around with the light sweep width. I'm gonna move those keyframes closer to each other. Now hit 0 once again, and this looks cool to me. Alright guys, that was the easy way to create this cool looking light leaks transition, and you can also be creative and experiment with all of those effects to create your own cool light leaks transition. Alright guys, that was everything in today's tutorial, and I hope you liked this video, and if you found something new and something useful, hit the like button, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Take a look at my channel, you can find a bunch of different tutorials, and until next time, stay creative and bye bye!